yard.
Okay, this is how I make my Irish sea moss. This is sea moss all the way from Antigua. This is how it looks. And what I do, I soak this overnight. A bowl of water, I soak this in it. Look how small it is. It's so small. Look, I'm just gonna have it in a bowl of water and soak that overnight. By time tomorrow, that should fill up the pan. So we see that tomorrow. Alright, we're gonna check out. This is the morning after. We check out our sea moss. See how big it's gotten in the bowl. This is massive now. Let's check this out. It's swollen up big. Look at that. It's massive now. Alright, so just rinse that off. We're gonna do some blending now. Okay, this is what I put on my sea moss. This is what I use. I put bladderwrack in my sea moss. So as you know, bladderwrack, it takes out all the impurities in your body, iron. It just basically cleans you out. And the sea moss repairs everything. It makes sure everything is up to the standard it needs to be. Alright, so I'm just gonna blend a little piece at a time because this, I don't boil my sea moss. I just blend it up straight away. So I just had some in the cup. I have my spring water there. I'll just blend a little bit at a time. I'll mix it with some of the bladderwrack later. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's all blended. It comes out in a nice sticky paste. It's a nice consistent. Don't put too much water because it's going to be very runny if you put too much water. And a word of warning, please have a strong blender, because if you don't, then this will destroy your blender. So have a strong blender. I have a Ninja, the big one, so this can, you know, this will be alright. This Ninja can handle this. So this, then I'll start adding my bladderwrack. To this amount, I'll probably add maybe about 3 teaspoons of bladderwrack. And that's enough. This is powerful stuff, man. You don't really need a lot. And I'll add that to it, and I'll just mix it up. So just adding my bladderwrack. I'm just mixing that in. Let's get that all in there. This is a powerful mix, man. You can use other stuff like burdock, all that stuff, but I prefer the bladderwrack. I prefer it that way. I think it works better that way anyway. That's my personal opinion. But this is powerful, man. You mix that in and you use it in everything. Mix that up. Just get it all in there. That's my mix. That's my special sea moss bladderwrack mix. And then you put it in anything, bread, whatever, sandwich. As you see, I put it in all the stuff I do. I put that in everything, and that's how I do it.